Hey there! Welcome to the 7 home maintenance tips every homeowner should know. Straight from a seasoned carpenter who's seen it all, built it all, and fixed it all. Now I'm here to help you take care of your castle, whether it's brand new or been through a few wars. You don't have to be Bob Vila to keep your home in shape, but if you follow these tips, I promise your wallet, your walls, and your sanity will thank you. Let's get into it. 8. While you're up there, maybe don't test your balance skills. You're fixing a roof, not auditioning for a Cirque du Soleil. 9. Seal cracks around windows and doors. You wouldn't throw money out the window, so don't let your heat or AC do it for you. 10. Weather stripping is your best friend in winter. Keeps the cold air out and your energy bill in check. 11. Got squeaky doors? A little WD-40 or graphite powder will save you from living in a haunted house. 12. Oh, and if your front door sticks, don't just yank on it and pray. Check for swelling or loose hinges. Be smarter than the door. 13. Know where your main water shutoff valve is. Trust me, when a pipe bursts at 3 a.m., you'll be glad you do. 14. Clean those drains regularly. Hair, soap scum, and toothpaste don't belong in your pipes long term. Remember, your home is your biggest investment. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you. Or at least keep the gutters clean. Baby steps, right? And hey, if you ever feel overwhelmed, the BuildNCreateSolutions team is qualified and ready to assist. Visit BuildNCreateSolutions.com for a quote today. Now, go grab your toolbox, roll up your sleeves, and make that house the envy of the block. See y'all next time.